Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today. A visit by the Prime Minister, Commodore Bainimarama, to the village of Narocake in Rewa has also resulted in further reclamation of certain areas of the village. The reclamation project will also see the construction of a new road to the village. The Prime Minister was given a first-hand update of two critical issues faced by the villagers, which were their new road and further reclamation works in selected areas.
The villagers raised the issue with the Commissioner Central way back, and then we came to investigate the area, and we identified three low-lying sections of the village, Area 1, Area 2, Area 3, and the total area is about 105,000 square meters. It would take about 184,000 cubic meters of backfill to reclaim the areas. We're using the dredge spoils from our Rewa dredging project. It would cost the reclamation about $1.67 million. Using imported soil, it would cost about $2.67 million.
The village has been prone to floods in the past, but reclamation works in the Rewa Delta has to some extent made life safer and easier for the current residents.
Most immediate thing to do is if we can subdivide further the areas into smaller areas so that the costs would become less and it would be easier to meet the problems and solve the what we call the necessity of the village to have a reclaimed area. We have to subdivide the areas into smaller ones.
The Prime Minister has also sought the advice and assistance of the various government agencies in its bid to further government's assistance to those rural and remote communities. An American company is expected to open a bottled water facility soon at Nananu village in Rakiraki. The team, together with the Commissioner Western, Commander Choeli Dawaki, landowners and Itoke Land Trust Board officials were at Nananu village recently to do more site analysis.
To establish the new water bottle plant project, it will cost the company around $27 million. Company official Paul Headley says currently the team is carrying out water testing and site testing that will last 3 to 4 months. He added, once they are clear with the result, they are ready to roll. PG4AT will be the name of the company.
We are already going through all the processes that they want us to go through for the Fijian government, and they have given us the stamp of approval to go ahead, and we're awaiting our final paperwork, and that is a 12-month window that we need to start. But we're not very patient. We'd like to get going. We'll have the rainy season, and so we have to figure out what's going to happen with the rainy season. But we're ready to move ahead as soon as we get all the last-minute geological tests done.
It is anticipated that the new facility will be established within the next 12 months, which will be bigger than the Fiji water plant that will also provide employment to surrounding villages.
My main important points were that the children have to win, the schools have to win, the roads have to be improved, and the community has to win. Because if the people don't win, it doesn't give us any motivation really to do the project. And so we're here today to do more site analysis, to meet with the varying governing agencies and the governing bodies and the people in charge, just to make sure that everybody is on the same sheet of music.
The new taxi fare comes into effect from tomorrow, and members of the public are advised that all new taxi fares are VAT inclusive. Taxis operating from outside Viti level in areas such as Ovalau, Tabiuni, Kandavu and Wanu level will begin their meters at $1.70. With effect of the new taxi fares, taxi operators are to ensure that customers are issued with a receipt for taxi fare paid, which includes taxi number, taxi fare, date of travel, VAT component and distance travelled. Join us again after the break.